Peace and blessings, peace and blessings, peace and blessings. Namaste. Empress here from Empress Holistic Wellness. Now, I am going to display a few of my products to you. So, first, I'm going to have the Hibiscus Rose Body Scrub. It's a sugar body scrub. I'm going to show you how to use it to exfoliate your body, give you a nice new glowing look after your exfoliation, because we need to exfoliate at least once or twice a week, which would be great. Then after, I'm going to put on a little sulfur, which is right from the sulfur springs someone gathered for me. It's all fresh, all natural. I am going to put it on, so you can put that on all over your body, from your face all the way down to your feet, and you will see you're renewed, and it helps remove toxins. It helps renew the skin. There's so many benefits for pure using sulfur on the skin. And then I have the black soap, my clarifying black soap. You can use it for acne. You can use it for any kind of blemishes you have on your skin. You can use it as just for the face, or you can use it from head to toe. And then I also have my Hibiscus Rose soap, which is an all-natural soap created by myself. So take a look and just enjoy, where you can have your own home pampering. I am here at one of Nature Island, Dominica rivers. So I'm here. You can take all your products, take it to the river, and have a wonderful experience like I'm having today, just to get away, have a little R&R just by yourself, using all your products. You can use the stone at the riverside just as your exfoliation for your feet. You can use the sand to also exfoliate. This is all natural. So what I'm saying to you is, you don't have to go to a spa if you don't want to. You can purchase all your products and find a beautiful spot. Dominica has 365 rivers. So you can find a beautiful spot to just kind of, relax and enjoy, your products, your home products, your home pampering products from Empress Holistic Wellness. All right. Use one of your rocks. Look. Exfoliate the knees. These circular motions. This feels so good, so good. My skin feels amazing. Your black soap. You can also use it for your face, right? When you're finished with that, then you can add the oil. You can put your oils on, or you can use my shea butter, my all aroma therapeutic whipped body butter, and just rub it all over your skin from your head all the way down to your feet. All right? Peace and blessings to all of you. I hope you had a beautiful spa day. Now I'm going to take a dive in the water. All right? All right. This is Dominica. This was wonderful, right? Next time, maybe you will come down and take a trip to Dominica and call me up. Woo. Be careful.